Hi there guys, my name's Gavin Baker. I'm going to be selling the front trunk here, but I'm also going to show you how to install it. Nice and easy, less than 15 minutes. What we'll start off with so far, first off, is these bolts here. So you've got 1, 2, and a third bolt here that need to be taken out. So a nice 10mm spanner, just to undo them. Make sure that you keep them somewhere safe. I usually pop them just in here so I can see them. And this one here. As you can already see, I have already taken out 6 of these lugs, which come out of these holes here, and they're already in there all the way along. So there's 6 there. What we're going to do now is, you've got the, as I said, the front trunk. So the first thing that we're going to put in first is the left hand side, where you have your fluids. So we'll pick this one up, and as you can see, it literally just slots into place like so. And all we're going to do is grab the first of the lugs like this and just pop it into the hole and push down. That's pretty much that done. So we'll do that on these ones as well. Can get a little fiddly, but they just pop into place like that. Then we're going to pick up the right hand side. As you can see, it will just slot into place like this. Now you've got 2 additional lugs, which will go in here and here. And they literally just push and clip. That's them done. Again, do the ones on the top here. And on here. I've got quite big hands, so it can be a little tricky. Go. And then the last one here, and then again with the bolts. So bolts back in, and then tighten up. And then for the last one. There we go. And there we have it, fully installed. Actually, I think that was closer to 5 minutes than 15, but we'll go with that.